We've gathered 12 of the best impact drivers on the market from Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Flex, Ryobi, Ridgid, Bosch, Hilti, Craftsman, Hercules, Skil, and Metabo HPT. And we're going to test them all in one video. Before we start the tests, allow me to introduce you to the field and give you a little insight on what we look for in a cordless impact driver. First up is Bosch's GDR 18V215, pairing a no-nonsense performance with core 18-volt 8-amp-hour pack. This model spins up to 3,300 RPM, fires off 3,800 impacts per minute, and delivers 1,900 inch-pounds of torque. It's clean, balanced, and built for daily use. Craftsman stepped in with the CF 830. A compact performer hitting 3,200 RPM and 4,200 impacts per minute. While it's slightly dialed back at 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, its lightweight 5.0 amp-hour V20 battery makes it a nimble addition to the job site. DeWalt came strong with the DCF 860, launching at 3,800 RPM and leading the field with 4,500 impacts per minute. Backed by the 8-amp-hour power pack, it cranks out 2,500 inch-pounds of torque. Serious firepower in a lean form. Flex rolled out the FX 1371A, bringing speed and punch to the table. This driver maxes out at 4,000 RPM and delivers 4,450 impacts per minute, all while matching the DeWalt's with 2,500 inch-pounds of torque. We're running it on a 6-amp-hour stacked lithium pack for this test. From Hercules, the HCB 81B didn't disappoint. Topped at 3,600 RPM and rated at 4,400 impacts per minute, this one punches up to 2,200 inch-pounds. We give it a solid 4-amp-hour standard battery for the test, keeping weight down and output high. Hilti's SID 622 stood out with the highest torque of the group, an impressive 2,665 inch-pounds. While cruising at 3,600 RPM and 4,250 impacts per minute, the power came courtesy of the beefy 7.9 amp-hour Neuron pack. Makita's GDT01 came in with a slightly lower top speed of 3,700 RPM, but ramped up impact delivery with 4,400 impacts per minute and 1,950 inch-pounds of torque. We used the 4-amp-hour XGT BL4040F battery to keep it agile and strong. Metabo HPT brought in the WH36DC, delivering 3,400 RPM, 4,100 impacts per minute, and 1,903 inch-pounds of torque. Compact and efficient, it ran on their 2.5 amp-hour multi-volt pack. It's small in size, but not in performance. Milwaukee joined with the M18 Fuel 2953, running up to 3,900 RPM and matching others at 4,400 impacts per minute. With 2,000 inch-pounds of torque and the premium 8.0 amp-hour forged 4811 1881 battery, it's the go-to for heavy fastening. Ridgid's R86 2312 delivered raw output with 2,400 inch-pounds of torque, a top-end 3,400 RPM and 3,400 impacts per minute. It ran on their 8-amp-hour max output R8 480 pack. Ryobi stepped in with the PBL ID04, clocking 3,400 RPM, 4,200 impacts per minute. While it capped at 2,300 inch-pounds, it ran smooth and steady with a 4-amp-hour Edge PBE 1104 battery. It's punchy and portable. Skil wrapped it up with the ID67 39B. Its top end of 3,950 impacts per minute paired with 3,100 RPM gave it a unique delivery profile, pushing out 1,800 inch-pounds with a reliable 5-amp-hour PowerCore BY 519603 battery. Now, let's take a closer look at the specs and features we use in our weighted scorings and the hands-on testing results of each of these impact drivers. Weight is straightforward but important. The lower the weight, the less fatiguing it is to use the impact driver, especially when you're working at shoulder height or above. The weight difference from the heaviest bare tool, the Flex at 2.68 pounds, to the lightest with the Ryobi at 1.9 pounds is not that drastic. The differences begin to grow once we slap on a battery. with the spread growing considerably, with the Bosch being the lightest at 3.44 pounds and the heaviest being the Hilti at 5.11 pounds. What's nice is you can select your battery size based on the workload and adjust accordingly to minimize your overall weight. Regardless of the weight, a more compact impact driver gives you the advantage of working in tighter spaces more easily. In general, the more compact the design, the lighter the weight, giving smaller impact drivers a double bonus. The longest tool in the test is the Hilti at 5.44 inches long, and the shortest tool comes in at a full inch shorter at just 4.44 inches, which is the Milwaukee. The Metabo is just 4.5 inches for a second place, with Flex and Makita tying for third place with 4.56 inches. What we get with most of these tools is tons of power in a small package. The first fastening test is the easiest in terms of how much torque is required. We drive in three 3/8 of an inch by 8 inch long GRK fasteners, rugged structural screws, also known as RSS screws, flush into stacked and glued OSB subfloor material with a 2-inch pilot hole to get it started straight. We take an average of the 3 runs as the result. No matter what impact driver you pick from our test, all of them were able to do the task. The time needed is another story, with the Skil taking the longest at 15.55 seconds, and the fastest blasting in these screws in just 5.86 seconds goes to the Flex. We were a little surprised at Makita coming in at a second slowest at 13.11 seconds. Milwaukee was the second fastest at 5.96 and Ryobi third at 6.8 seconds. In our second fastening test, we see how far each tool can drive a 1/2 inch by 10 inch long lag screw into stacked and glued OSB. Like the RSS Screw Test, we start with a 2-inch pilot hole, we run each tool for a maximum of 30 seconds and measure how much of the bolt is left standing proud, if any. This test is hard for impact drivers. In our 2025 Best Cordless Impact Wrench competition, only the DeWalt DCF 891 was able to drive the screw flush in the time limit. We don't expect any impact driver to complete this test, but does an excellent job of showing the difference in applied power and speed at the highest level. Flex took the cake on this by a significant lead with just 0.63 inches sticking out. The next closest was the Milwaukee in second at 1.06 inches, and what was probably our biggest surprise was the Ryobi with 1.13 inches in third. The final performance test is a straightforward bolt breaking application. Using a digital torque wrench, we set 8 1/4" lug nuts against their corresponding 1 1/8 inch semi-truck studs to 150 foot-pounds, which is 1,800 inch-pounds of torque in our rig. We then use each impact driver to break all 8 nuts loose and report the average amount of time it takes. Even though these are the same large nuts we test impact wrenches with, we set the torque much lower at 1,800 inch-pounds. It's within the rated torque spec for every model we tested. Every tool was able to tackle this test and finish it with just 5.4 seconds difference per lug nut. In third place, we have Ridgid at 1.93 seconds, Flex at 1.75 seconds for second place, and first place goes to Milwaukee at just 1.64 seconds. The slowest tool was a Craftsman at 7.04 seconds, but considering the type of test, this is still pretty respectable. Those are our tests. Now let's hand out some hardware. We're gonna start with our best cordless impact driver on a budget, and then work through the podium from third all the way to our top pick. Our best cordless impact driver for the money goes to the Ryobi PBL ID04. With the launch of the second generation HP brushless impact driver, Ryobi's continued increase in performance and reduction in size is challenging some of pro brands and daring DIY competitors to raise their game. While still a little larger and heavier than we expect from premium models, the performance level is solidly in the pro class. With a new high-performance edge battery, it beats out some big names in our latest round of testing. While it's possible to get a cheaper impact driver that will do the job well, Ryobi's performance in our test is significantly higher. If it's the best balance of price and performance you're after, Ryobi is where it's at. In third place, in a bit of a shocker to us, Ridgid claims a space on the podium. With the release of the R86 2312 impact driver, Ridgid made significant performance gains while making similarly drastic improvements to its size and weight compared to previous versions. This model's torque is near the top of the charts, and the speed is very much in the mix with premium brands. That showed in our latest round of testing, where it put some distance on much more expensive names like DeWalt and Makita. When it comes to features, this is a relatively straightforward model without a lot of bells and whistles, though it does have a self-tapping screw mode. If you want the best value, grab the combo that includes the impact driver, Ridgid's newest high-performance brushless hammer drill, and 2 max output EXP batteries packed in a hard case for only $329. Our runner-up impact driver goes to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2953. If you're looking for the best combination of performance, size, and weight, look no further than Milwaukee's M18 Fuel impact driver in its 4th generation. Pros also can't ignore that Milwaukee has the most extensive selection of trade-focused tools on M18 battery system. Part of Milwaukee's success is that they bumped up the speed compared to the previous model. It increases 300 RPM to drive at a maximum speed of 3,900 RPM. That also comes at a slight increase of the impact rate of 4,400 impacts per minute. Milwaukee also made adjustments to the trigger. It's now capable of smoother acceleration to give you more control over your screw starts. The design offers better control, especially at the start, and helps narrow the gap to models with more assist modes. Unsurprisingly, the 2953 does come with a premium price tag we'd expect from high-performance, pro-grade tools. You can ease some of the pain by grabbing the Gen 4 M18 Fuel 2-tool combo that includes the impact driver, the latest hammer drill, and a couple batteries for $399. And finally, our best cordless impact driver is the Flex FX1371A. Flex has had the best performance award since it launched several years ago. This is a real testament to just how far ahead of the competition Flex was and is with its 1st generation impact driver. Solid with a standard battery, it notches even higher performance with a stacked lithium battery. In our tests, it took 1st in 2 tests and finished in a close 2nd in the 3rd test. While it doesn't feature one-hand, bit insertion, or active spring injection, it does have a quick eject feature. The trade-off is that this model is a bit larger and heavier than other top performers. However, it's also priced a bit lower than most premium pro brands and offers a lifetime warranty when you register the tool. There you have it, folks. The best cordless impact driver. Do you have any questions about the models we featured in our testing? Leave them in the comments below. What tools do you want to see in our next round of testing? Let us hear that in the comments as well. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.